Mũingĩ ũrĩa ũramatha motungata thibitarĩ-inĩ cia mũingĩ iria irĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi marahinyĩrĩrio gwetha motungata nja wa kaunti ĩno kũrũmĩrĩra mũgomo wa arigitani hamwe na clinical officers. Gũtharara kwa motungata gũcũngĩrĩirio nĩ ndũgamano ĩrĩa ĩhandĩte gatagatĩ ka arigitani na thirikari ya kaunti, na kũringana na arigitani aya, ũtongoria wa kaunti ndũkoretwo ũkĩonania wendi wa gũthikĩrĩria mathĩna mao.
And I'm sure even Nairobians are feeling it. This one is really hard. At least Sonko gave us promotions. Kidero gave us a medical cover. With Sakaja, there's no medical cover, there are no promotions, now there are delayed salaries.
Makaya ma arigitani aya nĩ hamwe na gũcerithĩrio kwa mĩcara, gũkorwo matekwamũkĩra motungata ma insurance, o hamwe na kwaga kwambatĩrio ngathĩ kũrĩ arigitani arĩa makinyanĩirie ikĩro.
How do you expect us to survive in this Nairobi? Governor, yani salary, mshahara. We have asked you over and over again. Imagine two things which are basic needs for us. Insurance, comprehensive insurance cover, and salaries.
There's a 16-year-old who came to deliver here at Mbagathi. She was termed, she was in labor. Those wonderful nurses tried to refer this nice lady, but they couldn't because Kenyatta was full to the brim. The other facilities were also overstretched.
Mehĩtĩte kwaga gũcokereria mĩhang'o ya gũtungatĩra arwaru nginyagia mendekithia mao mathikĩrĩrio na metherwo kĩhonia, gũkũ makiuga nĩ meharĩirie kwaranĩria na thirikari ya kaunti nĩguo kũnina ndũgamano ĩno.
They called us for a meeting on 23rd. We went to county city hall. Do you know who was there? None of the decision makers were there. None of them. We called CS, he tells us I'm on my leave, I'm out of Nairobi. Finance, they say she's resuming on 6th.
They don't care, not at all for these patients, not at all. When they came back, do you know what the County Public Service Board told us? They cannot come to discuss our issues until the 12th.
Mugomo wa arigitani aya wĩingĩrĩte thikũ ya 28 rĩrĩ naguo mugomo wa clinical officers ũrĩ kiumia gĩa gatatũ.
We have doctors who have worked during the NMS, defunct NMS. That is 2 years ago. They are still claiming for their gratuity, which is their constitutional right written in the contract that after your 3-year lapses, you are going to get your gratuity.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Wambui wa Njũgũna.
For the union makes us strong.